Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. Today we will be solving one trigonometry question which is asked in Olympiad maths. Prove that the average of 2 sine 2 degree, 4 times sine 4 degree, 6 times sine 6 degree up to 180 times sine 180 degree is equals to cot 1 degree. So this is a very interesting question. So immediately you must think that sine 180 is 0. So but when we are calculating the average, the result is not 0. So let us proceed. So we know the mean and average. So how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 up to, it will be 90 terms will be there. It will analyze 2 degree, 4 degree, 6 degree up to 180 degree. So there will be 90 terms. So n is equal to 90 here. That means we have to prove that, to prove 2 times of sine 2 degree plus 4 times of sine 4 degree up to 180 times of sine 180 degree average divided by 90 is equal to cot 1 degree. Or this implies that to prove 2 times of sine 2 degree plus 4 times of sine 4 degree up to 178 times of sine 180 degree, because this will be 0, is same as 90 taking right side, 90 times of cot 1 degree. Or we have to prove, now I am multiplying sine 1 degree in both left hand and right hand. So it will be 2 times of sine 2 degree, sine 1 degree. I am multiplying sine 1 degree in each of the term. Sine 1 degree, 178 sine 178 degree sine 1 degree is equal to, cot 1 means cos 1 by sine 1. So when we multiply sine 1, then will be cancelled. That will be, I have to prove that 90 times of cos 1 degree. So this is the same, this is the another form of the question. So next, the critical thinking. So here I'll apply a formula because I am taking the nth term. Suppose this is kth term, that will be 2 times of sine 2k into sine 1. If I'll apply the formula 2 sine A sine B, this is nothing but your cos 2k minus 1 minus cos 2k plus 1. I am applying this formula to each of the term. So 2 sine 2 degree sine 1 degree, here I will take 2 common, so that I will get 2 times of sine 4 degree, and again sine 1 degree. Last will be, I will take 89 common, so that it will be 2 times sine 178 degree and sine 1 degree. So of course I should write this one just after this step anyway. So we'll apply this formula in all the cases. So first term will be cos 1 degree minus cos 3 degree. 2k minus 1, it will be 2 minus 1 cos 1, 2k is 4, 2 plus 1, that will be 3 degree. Second one will be 2 times of cos 3 degree minus cos 5 degree. So what will the next term? It will be 3 times of cos 5 degree minus cos 7 degree, so on. So what will be the last but one? It will be 88 times cos 177, sorry, it will be 175 minus cos 177 degree, and the last term will be 89 cos 177 degree minus cos 179 degree. So you can write yourself and you can verify. We are getting, with the formula we are getting this result. Now this is the telescopic sum we say. So if we will go on simplifying, this is negative cos 3 degree and here this positive 2 cos 3 degree. So I'll get 1 cos 3 degree here, and the second term it is minus 2 cos 5 degree, and here I am getting 3 cos 5 degree, so I'll get 1 positive cos 5 degree. In the same way I'll get positive cos 7 degree, so on. Only the last one will be negative. So ultimate result is cos 1 degree plus cos 3 degree plus cos 5 degree, so on, up to cos 177 degree minus 89 times of cos 179 degree, and before that certainly it will be cos 175 degree. This will be cos 175 degree. Next what? Next pairing. So cos 1 is cannot be paired, but cos 3 degree I'll pair with this. Why? Cos 3 degree plus cos 177 degree will cancel each other, because cos x is negative of cos 180 minus x. If you recall, cos 180 minus x is equal to minus cos x. So this will be nothing but your minus cos 3 degree. Minus cos 3 degree, so this will be cancelled. Similarly, cos 5 degree plus cos 175 will gives you 0, so on. And here somewhere I'll get cos 89 degree plus cos 91 degree, they will cancel each other, and last will be minus 89 cos, and 171 9 is nothing but your negative cos 1 degree, which will give you plus 89 1 degree. Let me explain again. Cos 179 is equal to cos 180 minus 1, so that will be negative cos 1, and negative cos 1 negative here, it will make it positive, and this is I applied in all the terms so that they are cancelling each other. cos 177 is equal to negative cos 3 degree. Similarly, cos 91 is negative cos 89. So they will cancel each other. So ultimately at the last I am getting 1 cos 1 degree plus 89 times cos 1 degree, because cos 79 is same as cos 1 with negative signs, and this negative negative positive. So this will be 90 times cos 1 degree. So I hope we got the result. So it is proved. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Please keep on watching.